We're making this video for our best friend Cinco.
Yep, that's our best friend right there.
Yep, we've been best friends since 8, 3, 10.
Yep, that's it. And ever since then, we've been
best friends. Oh, yeah, but we love Cinco.
We really do, from the bottom of our hearts right here.
That's right. Yep. But, yeah, we have Cinco's back.
All the
Always.
time.
Yep.
Any day. Whatever.
Night.
Yep. So if you plan to mess with our best friend Cinco, you just like waited for some trouble.
I know, asking for trouble. But why would you want trouble with us?
I know, we is very nice people.
Until you say the wrong thing, you do the wrong thing.
Because you just don't want to know.
You really don't.
But if you got a problem with Cinco, you got a problem with us.
And you're going to have to deal with us.
Yep. And if you got a problem, ask Cinco for our aim.
Hit us up.
For real though.
Yeah, but let's see. What else? Today's a special day.
Yep.
Today is...
Yep.
Today is like the official day that we can actually call Cinco our only guy best friend.
Yep. Today is 8/11/10.
Yep. Special day.
Always and forever right here.
Yeah, and we got a lot of best friends. So
We
it's kind
do.
of hard,
It is
but we're
hard.
doing it for you.
Yep. It's all for you, Cinco.
And yeah.
But we hope you like this video, Cinco.
Yeah. And you're the only person that we ever made a video before.
Yeah. And we will make more videos.
Yep, there will be more videos. Now you said that you were going to put this on your MySpace.
So you about to put this on your MySpace and all the other ones we are going to make you.
Because there will be other
Yep,
ones.
this is going to be the first one. And
The first one's the most special one.
Yep.
So you will be seeing our face.
Yep, all the time.
But why wouldn't you want to see this?